And we just walk. Yeah, there's been so many people. Hey, what you getting? I'm hoping that next year there will be over 1,000 people here. I think that this is such a great opportunity for anybody who's trying to learn a skill. They're doing tracking right now. So they got tickets going on. We've got classes.
You can see our schedule right there. We have, right now, classes just started at 11:30.
So the classes we can choose from right now is home fermentating, which I did yesterday. We got tincture making, homestead protection, setting up your first aid and medical bags, and kitchen processing. So I think I'm gonna go drop in and look at homestead protection and chicken processing. And then there's so many more coming up. So let's go look at workshop area 2 and the holding pen. All right. So I think those are the ones we're gonna go to. So we're gonna go look at homestead protection, a few others. And we've got so many people. We got permaculture. There's just so much going on. So workshop area 2, you guys, is gonna be over there. We got workshop area number 3 over there. So I think the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go drop our mics off really quick with our bag. We're just gonna sneak into where, hey friend, how are you? Good. So she's teaching a fermentation.
So are you the Doomsday Queen?
Yep.
That's what she was telling me on the way here.
Oh, I'm in love with her class. She does a great job. I was like, I want to learn all the fermentation. So we have a live stream going, and then we have YT recorded. We're going to try to go get some of the chicken processing, but I can't show chicken processing on TikTok, unfortunately. So first class we're going to go head down is we're going to go see if we can get the chicken processing. You guys are only going to be able to hear it from a distance, but I'm going to be filming it. So if you don't follow me on YT, it's Doomsday Queen. But we're just down in this holding pen. We're going to drop down. We'll go check out some of these. I think you guys are gonna love it. So we're just gonna drop down into here. You have teas, you have, soaps. There's so much going on down in here. It's amazing, amazing. And then look at their plants. Oh, we got seeds. I'm going to be coming to get some seeds. We got clover. And then we got radios. And then I believe that they actually program your radios. And then we have protection dogs, soil amending, gear. So much gear, you guys, so much. All right, we're going to go down into the holding pen area where they are processing chickens. I'm not going to be talking very much while we're in here, and then we're going to try to get in on some of these classes like SHTF. How they doing back there? Good. Good? All right, so we got a whole class going on. I'm going to turn.
And pull them off at the shoulder. It's the same thing, just give there. It'll help you find. And I'm not really sawing, I'm putting pressure on, let it open up there. You can bring your knife on the backside, come right up through that meat. Follow that back down. Now about an inch away, we're going to come up here. So follow that one over to the back. You have to see it right here. You're not stuck in the team going the right way. You got to get just outside of that and on down.
So right now he's teaching how to cut up chicken breast and to process it out. Now, a lot of you guys don't know that during this, we have been canning everything that's being processed here. I'm hoping my mic can pick that up, but we are canning everything that's processed, whether it's rabbit, whether it's chicken. That's why there's been so many canning classes. It is very important that everyone understands where your food comes from, where your meat comes from, how the process goes into it to be more self-sustaining. You'll never be fully 100% self-sufficient, but being as self-sustaining as possible is incredibly important. There is some rabbits right below me. We were processing rabbits yesterday. So I'm hoping you guys are enjoying it. I'm gonna stand in front of the fan because it is sure hot today. I think it's an incredibly great event. See?
You're going to keep yourself, or you might even get it in the inner cleaning after. Yeah, you can get it.
Processing more chickens. And right now he just took a chicken out of the cone and he's dunking it in. All right, we got people who are gonna try things out. They're gonna have a few volunteers to try some stuff out and start processing their own chickens. And I think that is an amazing, great experience for anybody. So right now he's just loosening up the feathers and then you can see him dunking. And then we're gonna put it in the plucker. The plucker. Right now they got a first aid class going on over here. I'm gonna turn you guys. Classroom 3, workshop area. They're building a first aid kit. Talking about all the things that you need to have. You got homestead consulting over here. Oh, we got ducks. There's ducks. We're gonna go over here. This is an SHTF. On YT, we have a turkey processing video where I process the turkey for Thanksgiving. But right now,
the time where the church has grown has actually been under persecution, right? Everyone knows this. Everyone knows.
all right, fun fact, I have never, ever, ever had banana pudding, and we're gonna be trying a bunch of food. And I'm excited. I'm excited. All right, I'll see you soon. And then they got homemade barbecue. Are we gonna try all of it? This place is called Dad's Barbecue and Catering. No joke, we can smoke. Springsteen, Kentucky. So if you, I'm excited to try this. I'm excited.
Did their command to love one another, to show kindness?
We've got coffee. I just got 2 cameras running. I wish you guys could see me. I have 2 tripods and 2 arms. He's doing the metal forging, so we're gonna capture some of that. Hi. So you guys can see. So he is going to be making knives. He's doing metal forging. Are you guys watching it? Watch.
Getting everything?
Mm-hmm. Here you guys go. All right, you ready? All right, let's go sneak in on more.
I got a CDL license.
throwing stuff in there.
Victoria, I want good notes. I want to know everything I miss.
Well, my presentation's actually on YouTube, so
Is
I
it?
mean it's similar.